This is the all new Itel P40.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Caramelo Official TV. Today I'm going to review the Itel P40. So I'm going to discuss all the things you have to bear in mind about this device. So if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I post a video like this.
This is the phone. The Itel P40 has so many similarities just like the P38 Pro. Moving to the back, you will see the rear mounted fingerprint and the two camera bomb. Then it comes with dual flashlight and Itel branding. Moving to the right hand side, you will see the power button and the volume rocker key. Moving to the top, there is nothing on the top. Moving to the left hand side, you will see the SIM card rejector. Moving to the bottom is where you found the headphone jack, network cable, charging port and the bottom speaker as well. And as for the build quality, this phone is made with plastic material, not glass. Moving to the unboxing experience in the box, which is quite similar to, but not just Itel phone, but every other regular budget phone. You will find the phone a semi-transparent protective case, a SIM reject pin, and a 18 watts fast charger, the USB 2.0 cable. And another made is about earpiece, but it doesn't support OTG, and the USB Type-C cable. You know, it's not an easy task to make a video like this, providing you with detailed review that will help you to make a decision whenever you want to buy a phone. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Now moving to the settings, you will see the device, which is the Itel P40. And as for the Android version, this phone came with Android 12 with Unicorn processor, and the phone also came with 5MP front camera and 13MP rear camera. The phone also came with 4GB of RAM. Then you can expand the RAM to another 3GB of RAM, making it 7GB of RAM. As for the ROM, this phone came with 64GB of internal storage. As for the battery, this phone came with 6000 mAh battery. As for the screen resolution, the phone also came with 720 by 1612 resolution. Itel P40 has 6.6 inches display. This is the normal display you get for devices within this price range. But some manufacturers can make the display better and clearer with better graphics than this one, even with the same resolution, making such display are both average. But 720 pixel screen. The Redmi 12C is an example. Moving to the gaming, so tell me the sound that came out when playing game with this device and the color that the display produce. I enjoy playing game with this device with 6.6 inches display. It is not so big and is not too small. As for this device, the battery drainage shouldn't be your concern because of what? It's because of this one came with 6000 mAh battery. I played Police Monster Killer up to an hour and 30 minutes, so I lose only 5% when playing game. Another aspect is that I enjoy playing Dream League with this device. I played Dream League up to 1 hour. After 1 hour of playing game with this device, the battery just dropped only 3%. So tell me the sound that came out when playing game with this device and the audio that the phone produce when playing game with this device. Please, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a video like this. So that's by the way. Let's talk about other things. Let's move to the performance. Opening apps with this device are fast, but this is a new phone. No apps, no games. By the time more apps and more games are installed in this device, including media file, this phone will certainly lag. What it means is that this phone will certainly run slow. The reason is because of the CPU. This phone is built with Unicorn processor, Unicorn SC9863A CPU. When I did the review of Infinix Smart 7 Plus, link in the description, I mentioned that it is powered by Unicorn T606 CPU. I will later find out that the Smart 7 Plus is very slow. Although initially when I review it, it was fast. Later on, to open a light application like WhatsApp became a big problem. The Smart 7 Plus Unicorn T606 processor is better than the SC9863A processor used in Itel P40. Back to the Itel P40, if you want to put the phone in a case, this is a case that fits the phone perfectly. It covers the back, the camera and the rear of this smartphone. So that is by the way. Let's talk about other things.
This Itel P40 it's a very nice device for you to go for. I might say yes because of what? It's because of the 6,000 mAh battery that came with the phone. The phone came with 6,000 mAh battery. If you're not a heavy user, it can easily last up to 2 or 3 days for you. And as for the processor, it came with one processor. I prefer the processor that came with Infinix Smart 7 Plus than the processor that came with this phone.
Let's move to the video quality. So tell me how the device look like when using this device for consuming content. And also tell me the sound that came out when using this device for watching movies. With the 6.6 inches display, I won't complain. And another aspect is that this phone doesn't come with stereo speakers, only the button speaker as well. There is no higher refresh rate. So that is by the way. So if you are going for Itel P40, this is the things you have to bear in mind. It runs on 6000 mAh battery, powered an octa-core processor, support a 13 megapixel primary camera sensor, and designed with a massive 6.6 inches HD plus water drop display. Hello guys, this is the rear camera using the Itel P40, the 13MP rear camera. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. Well, when looking at it, I might say the camera is not too overexposure. So tell me how the camera look like on the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. When looking at it, the 13MP rear camera, just tell me how the 13MP rear camera look like. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. Hello, this is the front-facing camera using the Itel P40, the 5MP selfie camera using the Itel P40. So tell me the color that came out on the comment section below. Well,
Wow. So it's kind of blunt, sharp, but you try.
so
Try, bro.
tell me how the camera look like on the comment section below. As for the price, the Itel P40 goes around 64,000 naira.
If you're going for Itel P40, the main things you have to bear in mind is the battery performance. And the phone also came with Android 12 on the box. But the battery performance is my main concern about this phone, not about the processor. Another thing that I witnessed in this phone is that this phone came with 4 GB of RAM. Then you can expand the RAM to another 3 GB of RAM, making it 7 GB of RAM. I mean 7 GB of RAM. Wow, this one impressed me so much. The Itel P40 is a very mid-range device for you to go for. Because the Itel P40 came with glass, back glass material, and like the S23 4G. The answer is no, it doesn't come with glass material. That's a back glass material. Is the Itel P40 came with Corning Gorilla Glass? No, the answer is no. Itel P40 does not come with Corning Gorilla Glass. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interested and the effort we do when making this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell.